Welcome back to Review Tutorial. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to display sale percentages on your Shopify store. Highlighting discounts as percentages can make your offers more appealing to customers, potentially boosting your sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Add comparison price for product. First, from the Shopify dashboard, go to Product and find the product you want to show the discount percentage like the example. Here, it is right at the top. Click on the product, men's short cotton. Then, go to the pricing section and add the comparison price. For example, the comparison price of this product is $30. Then you click Save and go back to the original product page to see how it changes. Oh, it has an additional sale badge. It's quite eye-catching, right? But here I want it to be more attractive and appealing. Step 2. Go to Theme Edit Code. Go back to your Shopify admin, navigate to Online Store, and then click on Themes. Ensures you have a copy of your original theme in case you need to revert any changes. I have it here already. Then, click on the three dots icon next to the Customize button of the current theme. Next, select Edit Code so I can add or remove a few code snippets. Don't worry, it's very simple, just follow along. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate 3 basic changes. Show sale percentages for product page, collection page, and change the color of that badge. Step 3. Add the sale percentage code for Shopify product page. In the code editor, locate and find the Price Liquid file. Click on Price Liquid to open it. Now, use Ctrl F or Command F to search for the line that contains products product on _ sale, T. Once located this line, I'll replace it with the new code to display the sale percentage on Shopify product page. Rest assured, the code snippet will be in the video description. Don't forget to save and go straight to the product page interface to see what surprises. Wow, our sale badge has changed to 20% off. But when I go back to the collection page containing this product, this discount percentage badge still doesn't appear. Let's see Step 4 to show it right away. Step 4. Add the sale percentage code for Shopify collection page. To ensure the sale percentage appears on your collection pages as well, find and open the card product liquid file. Then, locate the line code that contains products product on _ sale, T-. Next, replace the code you just found with the new code below to change it to a percentage discount badge on the collection page. Make sure your changes are saved before you reload the collection page. It greatly contributes to stimulating customers' eyes and decision-making. Another change is the color style of this badge. Now, this snippet calculates the discount percentage and displays it as a badge on your collection pages. Step 5. Style color the sale percentage badge. Now, in the Theme Edit Code section, find the base CSS file. Then, add the sample code at the end of that file. See video description for detailed files of these codes. After making these changes, click Save in the top right corner. Now, preview your store to see the sale percentage badges in action. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively display sale percentages on your Shopify store, making your discounts more transparent and enticing to your customers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.